Hey everyone, I'm Brett from Big Star Lights. In this video, I'm going to be talking about some of the issues you might come across when installing your 5mm string lights and how to troubleshoot those issues. So, I'm going to start by talking a bit about our string lights. Each one of Big Star's 5mm string lights is on two parallel circuits. One circuit powers the lights, and the other circuit carries that power through that string onto the next set of lights. It's designed in this way so that if one of your circuits is severed, power can still continue on to that next string, hopefully still illuminating the whole tree. The rectifiers at the beginning, middles, and the ends that join your circuits together can be the cause of some of your issues. There are some components in there that might malfunction, which means that you're never going to see just one diode out. It's either going to be the whole string or half the string. So let's set the scene here. You get a call from a client and they said their lights aren't working on the lights you installed last week. Where do you start? Let's assume you have power going to the tree already, by the way. The first place you look is at your coaxial adapter. That's the first line of defense because there's a fuse in there. And if you open that slider here and that fuse looks shattered, that means that there was an unsteady flow of power from your lights, causing that fuse to blow. The unsteady flow can occur generally from your copper being exposed in one of your strings, exposed to moisture that is. So if you replace that fuse and it immediately blows right away, that means you have a faulty string. And all I do is I break the tree down into sections. I disable it at key points, usually where it branches off, and I plug in a brand new coaxial adapter to each section until I find the one that's faulty. So the other issue might occur is with one branch is out, or just one string is out, or just half the string of lights is out. And that has to do with the components in your rectifiers malfunctioning. So either the rectifier at the beginning of your string's malfunctioning, causing the whole string not to work, or just the first half. The second rectifier is out, causing either the whole string to be out or just half a string. Or your last rectifier is not working. And that can sometimes look like this string of lights is illuminated and it's on, but the next string of lights is not illuminated. So it seems like that next string is actually malfunctioning, but in fact, it's this last rectifier right here that's not working. It's stopping power from continuing on to that next string of lights. If there's anything I haven't covered in this video or other questions that you have, please comment below and I'll try to answer them. See you next time.